Okay, so we'll today see one of the topic of basic optics. So myself Shabnam Sarkar. So I will start with one of the topic which is very interesting and very important. That is one of the topic of geometric optics, that is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror will start. That is, what is spherical mirror? It has a reflecting surface. So basically spherical mirror is of two type. Two type of spherical mirror, that is, first one is what? Concave, and second is what? Convex mirror. Concave, what do we mean by concave? So basically in concave, the part which will be reflecting will be this part. This part will be reflecting part, that is inside part. Inside part will be reflecting, and in convex, which part will be reflecting? Outside. So in convex it will be outside, in concave it will be inside. So basically the reflection will take place this side of the concave, and in convex outside. So this is the reflection that takes place. This side is a concave and this side is what? Concave. And here the silver coating is there. Obviously it is a mirror, so it will have a silver coating. So spherical mirror is of two types, concave and convex. So concave inside and convex outside. So now we'll see the next. So what is the main? That is, what are the concepts related to spherical mirror? So we see what are the concepts. That is, suppose this is your spherical mirror part. So one part will become, suppose we are taking this part. So here there will be center, C. C is what? Center of curvature. C is the center part of the spherical mirror. This is center of curvature. Center of the concave mirror or convex, that will become a pole. So basically the joining line, this will become a radius of curvature, and the line passing through center of curvature and a pole, the line which pass through a center of curvature and a pole, it become a principal axis. So this will be what? Principal axis. This is a principal axis which passes through a center of curvature and a pole, and this is the radius of curvature. So this is there. So this is a center of curvature. R, C is what? C is a center of curvature. Center of curvature. R is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. And P is what? Pole for a mirror. So P is the center of the mirror, that is the part will be the convex or concave, that is a P. C is the center of the spherical mirror, this is a radius. Distance between center of curvature and a pole is known as a radius of curvature, and this is your principal axis which passes through center of curvature and a pole. And further definitions are there, that is principal focus and focal length. So how the principal focus and focal length are there, that is, so this is there. Suppose we are doing this. So this is your mirror. So we have taken this mirror. Now I have told you already, inside it is reflecting, so it is concave. So concave, so name only suggests, na, concave. So cave means what? Inside. So this will be inside, it will be reflecting. So this is a concave mirror which I am discussing. So basically now only I have told you, center part of the mirror will be what? Pole. That is, this will be P, pole. Here it will be what? Center of curvature. Here the center of curvature will be there. Now radius of curvature. So basically I have told you that what is principal focus and what is focal length now. So suppose this is there incident ray, this is incident ray, this is principal axis. I have already told that is line passing through center of curvature and pole is a principal axis. So basically, this is incident ray which will pass through the incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through a focus, which will pass through what? Focus. And this point where it is passing, it is known as what? Focus. Principal focus also you can say, or focus. And the distance between focus and a pole, the distance between focus and a pole is known as what? Focal length. It is known as focal length. So that is there. Distance between principal focus and a pole is known as focal length. That is there. So incident ray, and this is the ray which is there, this is known as what? Reflected ray. Reflected ray. The rules are there that we'll see. So this is incident ray parallel to the principal axis, passes through a focus, and this point is known as focus. And the distance between focus and a pole is known as focal length. So for concave mirror, what is the focal length, positive or negative, that will decide according to the sign convention. So this is the introduction basically of spherical mirror, that is two types we will discuss, concave and convex, and I have only given the concepts of the mirror, that is we have discussed center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole, then I have discussed you what is focus and what is focal length. So focus I have told you that incident ray when passes, this is rule we will discuss later on, and then the distance between focus and pole is known as focal length. So this is all introduction which we have done, and principal axis which passes through center of curvature and a pole. So this is the end of the introduction, and in next we'll see next. Thank you to everyone.